you like
to pull a half a second faster.
I'm Zachary Fowler, and you're watching Fowler's Makery and Mischief. My project's done.
Kids robotics. Kids. Kids.
I'll be green.
I'll do the brown.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go with 6.
A wounded soldier's his foot came off.
So we got Daisy Red Ryder BB gun versus the Sparrow Slingshot. We're gonna have some fun with these two. Always wanted to do this. We got some really neat targets and a couple more things that we can use to measure the differences in speed, power, and accuracy. I think personally the Daisy Red Ryder BB gun is probably the most famous BB gun in the world because of the Christmas Story. I never actually owned one. So I didn't buy this one until I became an adult and got this off of Pyramid Air. And Chris is gonna run that today though, and I'm gonna run the Sparrow Slingshot. So, less talking, more shooting stuff. Let's have some fun. Thought we'll start with the boring stuff. Speed. This is a chrono I bought a couple years off of Amazon. We were actually using it in our slingshot versus sling one that we did. Let's see how fast these things are. My Sparrow is rigged with my custom 13-inch active band set, 5mm tapered bands, and I'll be shooting 7/16 steel like I shoot pretty much all the time. And Chris, well, the Daisy Red Ryder.
Let's go. I think he's got power on me and speed, but we'll give it our best.
3, 2, 1. Welcome to the machine.
Oh, that's a nice little dimple and nothing on the scale. All right, my turn. That's pretty good. All right, this time we got 3 cans up there. Turning my hat around for this one.
On your marks, get set, shoot! Ooh.
That's gonna cost me.
Oh, I just missed.
Oh no, come on, Chris, come on.
Ooh!
Oh no.
1 to 1.
Oh!
My heart.
That
Got me a little weak.
he
in
got
the
me
knees.
there. I can't believe I missed. I got all like, oh, that full of excuses. I got like a whole list of them. We'll put them right down the side of the screen right here. It's best 2 out of 3.
Okay, round
Best
2.
2 out of 3. Yeah. Do it again. Again.
This thing's actually pretty accurate for such a simple.
Right? In my hand, it messed me all up. I had 3/8, and
Oh.
that was my other excuse.
Shoot! Woo! Quick start. Ooh. Oh!
Again.
Oh.
All right, one more time, but I'm switching to my speed shooter.
shooter?
I'm
Okay.
switching to my speed shooter. That was that was just warm up. Just letting him feel good about himself, you know.
Nice of you.
Young guys need the confidence boost every once in a while, so you just gotta lay down your life for your fellow man to feel good about himself. I got my speed shooter you might have seen in some of the former slingshot videos. We'll see what we could do.
Get set, shoot! Ooh. Ooh. Oh,
Got it, yes!
whoa.
I threw
I
like
should have pulled a half a second faster.
we're gonna say that was the round that counted.
Might have a new office settling.
Yeah, office flip a coin for who gets what air rifle, blowgun, slingshot, sling bow. We got bows coming.
New challenger approaches.
That's gonna be in some new episodes. That's why we mostly did this instead of just a sheet, because this is rated for, can't remember what it is, something pounds of arrows that I have a bow.
This stuff can take arrow shots?
Not this
Oh.
thing. This is a really expensive arrow curtain. I keep forgetting to look it up, so the number's right here. But it's a 10 by 20 arrow proof curtain. I got like a stray hair or something like going on here. It's driving me nuts.
The whole eyebrow's kind of going astray.
Is it all? Everything's going wrong.
It's another one. It's on the list of excuses. We'll put that on there.
These are my guys.
Those
I
are your
need
guys.
to take out your guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you
So
are.
Chris had a Stalin coffee cup he didn't realize he had. He had just picked it up somewhere and was drinking
thought it
out
was
of
a
it.
guy with a
Not at
mustache.
my house, mind you. So he is the Access Army. and I'm gonna wipe them out before he wipes out my ally forces.
Yeah. True story about that coffee cup, though. I always thought it was kind of a weird coffee cup to have.
I got it from my comrade.
Yeah.
Going back to the Sparrow for this one, I need to hit accurately.
I'm just gonna let her rip full auto.
Just gonna let her.
Not even aim.
You're just gonna
hope.
Ready, set, go. One. Two.
Move forward, comrades.
Oh.
Three.
3 and 3. Oh man. 3.
Actually 4. Shoot it.
4. 2 left. Five. Ah!
1 to 1, baby. Let's go. Oh, does that count?
Yeah, I killed him.
He fell off the edge of the cliff.
What?
I got him. I got it. I hit the wood and took him out.
I'll count it.
It was a little low. It was embarrassing.
Ground strike. Oh, I shot his head off.
I kind of want to test it out. There's still 2 guys left up. Wow.
Nice.
Yeah, it is.
It's not bad. Another little guy. See if I can get one of those. I don't know if you do better not to. Oh!
Nice job.
That wasn't even looking through the sights. I was just like looking at what I want to hit. Yeah, instinctive shooting. There we go. This has been on the wall inside my house for what, 2 years now, 3 years now. And whenever a company comes over and they can't shoot the slingshot, or they shoot it one time and they put a hole in the wall somewhere, I'm like, here, how about you have this instead? I got you on accuracy. You had me on speed, and it was kind of a tie on the can speed because you beat me twice, and then I went and changed to the speed one and I got you. Let's see what happens, because that whole you shoot your eye out thing with the Daisy Red Ryder BB gun.
Oh my God, I shot my eye out.
We're gonna take some of these melons and put some safety glasses on them over there. One's already ready. And we'll see what happens when we shoot one point blank. Now that's not gonna be the same as it bouncing off of something. I don't know how fast it will be moving when it bounces off of something, but let's see what happens when we shoot the safety glasses with that versus the slingshot. I think this will be interesting. We named it Melanie.
My name's Melanie, the volunteer. Hopefully he doesn't shoot my eye out. Thanks, Fowler.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Wait, what? It
I think
skipped off?
I think I just nicked the top of the glasses. I was aiming right for the eye, but I think I nicked the top and it just punched through the head. There's definitely an in and an out. There's an exit wound. There's definitely an exit wound.
I would expect just you touch them, and I thought they were gonna break.
Oh.
That was a direct hit. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
That was definitely a direct hit, I think. And it's still good.
Is that where?
That's where the glasses, look at the mark. Where the glasses punched in and like gave Melanie a bruise. Yeah, she got a little cut on her. All right, one more time, let's see what happens.
Oh.
Oh, poor Melanie. She's definitely got a cut under her eye from the safety glasses right there, and a little one on this side. But they saved her eye from a direct hit.
Wow.
There's a dimple right there, and another one right there. And I could see like a little something right here when I clipped it on the top and drove it into her scalp. So it must have hit the glasses, tipped them this way, and beamed her right through the brain.
7/16 piece of steel hits with some. It's enough to take out a squirrel in one shot.
There it is, right there.
That's with the rust mark.
Yeah, the little rust mark.
I would have got him though.
Oh yeah, it's kind of like a tracer.
It doesn't look like it dimpled the plastic much. There's nothing new for like brim damage. I mean, outside, because I did this earlier, those other ones, and I had it set like there and it didn't really scratch her. So I think with his at least, you'd literally walk away completely unharmed. Should we try those ones?
Yeah, these might cut right through your
These are
forehead
Home
with the
Depot.
7/16
These are Home Depot, so apparently you're only as safe as the size of your safety glasses. These ones are slightly bigger, maybe better?
Well, the BB also didn't bruise her entire eye orbital.
Try to put one right between their eyes. Oh! That was between the eyes, but nasal.
In the nose?
Yeah, it came out the back of the head. That wasn't fair, poor thing. Full send, point blank.
Oh,
Wow,
that plowed.
That
Holy.
glasses right there, once again, plastic is dimpled. Mind you, look though, this melon is like overly ripe.
Oh, okay, that
So,
has
like-
a mustache.
Yeah, so that's not the melon's fault that it took some damage when the glasses hit the face. That's excessive. Let's see.
Oh. Made me cringe a little
There's
bit.
some shot in there, a little bit of shot in there. If you eat around the shot, you're all good. No, that punched right through.
Tastes like, were you shooting 7/16 lead?
No,
That little lead taste.
no, not into it.
Oh.
Whoops. As Sparrow would say, let the melon live. As many shots as we can get into it in a couple seconds. Just like Melanie 2 is going down in a hail of fire.
There was a firefight!
That pretty much does it.
Oh man.
She's
Look at the juice.
not looking so good. She actually looks worse on the back than she does in the front.
Ooh.
Not that you could look much worse than that, but there you go. Well, there you have it. That was Daisy Red Ryder versus the Sparrow Slingshot and the Speed Shooter. We had a lot of fun with it. Leave in the comments below which one do you think is the winner. I think it was a pretty fun matchup. Just who cares who won? That was just fun, right?
It was a good
Yeah.
time.
What do you think?
This Daisy Red Ryder is surprisingly accurate for as simple as it is, and I would suggest that if you have a son or a daughter getting into shooting, this is a great way to go.
So special thanks to Pyramid Air for sending us all these fun air rifles like you've seen in the last couple videos. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Fowler out.